Welcome guys, today I will show you all AI features on POCO F8 Ultra. Open the Settings app and go to the Xiaomi HyperAI chapter. Here choose AI App Boost part. Alright, now here you will find whole list of the AI features on POCO device, like AI Writing Tool to improve your writing and generate text, AI Dynamic Wallpapers, which allows you to bring the static wallpaper into the dynamic one, AI Creativity Assistant, which allows you to enhance quality of the photos, optimize photos by colors, expansion your photos. Also you can use Erase Pro tool to cut out some things from the photo which you don't want to see. You can also cut out some things and use it for your own in your projects, and also tool for your videos. Then you can find here AI speech recognition, which transcribe audio to text, translate and create summaries, AI translate conversations, which translate offline face-to-face conversations, AI interpreter, simultaneously interpretation for calls and conferences, AI subtitles, which transcribe video calls and meetings and translate audio into bilingual subtitles, and AI search. By using AI search, you can use natural language to search some items in system apps or also on device, like photos, files, recordings, notes and messages. So go to this part of the settings, check which AI feature you want, read how it works and how to use it, and enjoy AI features on your POCO F8 Ultra. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.